Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to trade cards on Monopoly Go. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So here we are, as you can see on Monopoly Go. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're friends with the person that you want to trade cards with. So to do that, come and press onto the Friends icon down in the bottom right-hand corner. And what you can do is share your friend code, or alternatively, send an invite link by pressing the Invite button down here, and then pressing the orange Invite button to share your link with your friend. Now, once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is come down and press onto Album. It's going to display all your cards and stickers on Monopoly Go. Now, what you can do is go into any of these albums. Let's take this one, for example. And if there's a card you actually need, you can press onto this. And what you can do is ask your friends that you're with. So if you press the green Friends button, you can choose up to 4 friends to request this card. Now you can also try the Facebook group. There is a group, which if you give this a press, it's going to take you to the official Facebook group, and you can ask in here if anyone wants to trade with you. Now just bear in mind that you can only trade cards that you have duplicates of. So if you want to send a card to someone, you can see some of these cards have a +1, which means I have duplicates of this particular card. So let's take this one for example. What you can do is also send duplicate cards. You can actually do this up to 5 times a day. So if you press onto the duplicate card, you're going to see an option, Send Friend, at the bottom. We actually give this a press, and what you can do is then go ahead and choose the friends that you want to send this to. And there's also an option at the bottom to make exchange. So if you turn this on, then when you actually send this card to your friends, they're in turn going to have to send a card back to you to complete the trade. So that's basically how you can trade cards on Monopoly Go. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.